1994 Elizabeth State by-election. A by-election was held for the South Australian House of Assembly seat of Elizabeth on 9 April 1994. This was triggered by the resignation of former state Labor MHA Martyn Evans, who moved to the federal seat of Bonython at the 1994 by-election. The seat, created at the 1969 redistribution and first contested at the 1970 state election, was held by Labor from 1970 until 1984, when Evans won it as an independent Labor candidate. In 1993 he rejoined the Labor Party. Timeline. Date event 18 February 1994. Martyn Evans resigned to contest the federal seat of Bonython at the by-election due on 19 March. 11 March 1994 writs were issued by the Speaker of the House of Assembly to proceed with the by-election. 25 March 1994 close of nominations and draw of ballot papers. 9 April 1994 polling date between the hours of 8 am and 6 pm. 22 April 1994 the writ was returned and the results formally declared. Results. The Labour opposition retained the seat despite a small two-party preferred swing. Cotton ran under the banner Independent Parent Democracy in state schools.